How to escape from background verification? Most of our friends asking this question to me. Yes, you may escape from background verification, but you need to do some actions, right? I always telling this point. Yes, you can escape from background verification. Without background verification, you can join in big MNCs. You need to follow some instruction, how to search job, how to achieve the organization, what kind of strategy you need to use in order to avoid background verification. Okay, it will be very simple action. Okay, many people are saying my background verification is failing continuously, especially TCS, Genpact, IBM, Accenture. What I need to do? Okay, yes, there are some misconduct documents if you submit, especially for dual employment, termination cases, absconding cases. Background verification team, even every organization, small companies, big companies, everybody constructing different team called background verification team. Each and every organization having background verification team, they will do crystal clear background verification. However, you need to follow my instruction to escape from the background verification. I can educate to you. I repeat, you must interact to me before getting the offer letter. Okay, and you need to achieve the background verification team properly. For that, you need to search job as per my instruction, how to join in the organization in smarter way. You can join in big MNCs as well as small MNCs. Okay, usually these tricks will help you to join in big MNCs only, 100% sure. If you are okay, you need to follow my instruction. Based on my instruction only, you need to search job opportunity. If you are okay, you can approach to me. My email ID and UPI ID available in this video description. Consulting fee little bit big. If you are ready to pay the consulting fee, you do the payment and call me, and you can connect through my email ID. Okay, for further information, you drop email to me, we will discuss. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.